Hello everyone. I'm back with a new strategy video. Today's trading model we will be working with is visually quite simple and is very suitable for those who do not have much experience in financial markets to make profits. Why do I say this? Because one of the indicators we will be using in this strategy directly produces buy-sell signals. As you know, the biggest problem for traders with little experience is not knowing where to buy or sell an asset. That's why I think the strategy we will be looking at will be very helpful for you. Now let's create the settings for the two free indicators we will use in TradingView and add them to our chart. Please make the settings carefully. Before adjusting the indicator settings, I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel, click the like button and turn on the notification bell to be informed about new content. So let's start. Let me briefly explain how we will use these indicators while the screen is displaying the chart. As you can see, there are buy, sell labels above and below the price. It's a very simple signal, but we won't be buying and selling on every signal the indicator produces because it can also produce false signals. To filter out these false signals, we will use the ADX and D indicators that you see below. If the green line is above and the red line is below, there is a bullish market pressure. If the red line is above the green line, there is a bearish market pressure. Now let's see a few trades and reinforce the topic. Yes, we got a sell signal here. In our ADX indicator below, the red line is above the green line, and this signal meets the conditions for a short position. Our target is 1 to 1.5. Now we have seen a buy signal here. On our ADX indicator, the green line is above the red. This is a bull market signal. We open a long position and make the target 1 to 1.5 times. Now let's examine a few processes. In order to minimize the error rate in real operations, please watch the video carefully without skipping. Please pay attention to this buy signal. Our indicator is wrong here. It gives a signal because the red line is above the green in our ADX indicator, the low. So opening a trade on this buy signal would be wrong and could possibly result in a loss. A new signal. We meet the conditions and open a sale transaction. A buy signal appeared here, but on our X indicator the red line is at the top. We are passing this signal. And now we've seen a sell signal. We meet our terms and open a transaction. Unfortunately, this transaction was closed with a loss. Please note, there is number 100% success in trading any financial asset. The goal is always to make a profit over the loss that can be made. By the way, we saw a buy signal in a very short time. This signal also provides the trading rules. We open a transaction. And we hit the target. Dear friends, I think you easily understand the rules of our trading strategy in this video. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section. I will gladly try to help you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because that's the only way I can reach a wider audience. See you again. Goodbye.